Welcome to your Monday Morning Pearl. I'm Steve Keck. Today I want to talk to you about building a productive referral network. If you expect to be in sales for a long part of your career, it is critical for you to build a productive referral network. So here are 3 things you can do to help you maximize a productive referral network. Number 1, broaden your scope. A referral network can't be homogeneous. You need a large variety and diversity of individuals and career paths and specialties because you're solving problems for your clients that are not related to the problem that you solve. If your network is too homogeneous of all the same type of people in the same type of industry, you get a myopic view of how to solve problems. So broaden your network. Number 2, educate your network. I say this all the time. You have to be teaching your network about why you're different and how you can help. Setting up a good education cadence in your network can help you move every new opportunity farther down the field. Think about it this way. The more I can understand what you need, why you need it, so that you can give the best guidance for a possible prospect I'm going to refer to you, the farther down the sales pipeline I have brought that new referral. So you have less work, less uphill in order to get to moving a client to close. Set up a process of educating your network. And number 3, add value. Find ways to solve problems from your network for your network. I mentioned this in a previous Monday Morning Pearl about finding a prospect for your prospect. You should be doing the same thing for your network. Are you introducing members of your network that could solve business problems for each other? I'm currently helping a person who has a thriving, growing marketing company get connected with someone who's involved in developing an HR system because the marketing person doesn't know how to run an HR program for their business. And that's totally okay. That's why they're in marketing. That's why the HR people are in HR. But if I didn't broaden my network, I wouldn't have the ability to find and solve problems for each one of these people. The biggest thing you gain from adding value to your network is goodwill. Goodwill is a deposit account that is spent when you ask someone for a favor or they go to bat for you when you're trying to make a referral. The more goodwill that you have developed with an individual, the more they're going to go to bat for you. So make it work for yourself by bringing a consistent deposit of goodwill to your network. So do these 3 things: broaden your network, educate your network, and add value. And as always, we'd love to have a conversation with you about how to build referral networks for your sales team. So reach out to us on our website or our social channels.